Assalamualaikum learners. In my previous video I have solved exercise 1.3 short question. Now in this video I will solve the exercise long questions. So let's start it. So before going to solve these long questions, you have to solve a short question because they have the cases of vector equations. So this is the fourth case of vector equation of the line through the points, these 2 points. अगर आपकी लाइन 2 पॉइंट से पास कर रही है तो फिर आपकी वेक्टर इक्वेशन इस तरह से बनेगी r इक्वल्स a plus t times b minus a, this. So putting the values here, this is a vector and this is b vector. The b vector can be written as like 0i minus 2j plus 3k. Solving and simplifying these equation we get the final form of the answer. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 भी क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 की तरह ही है, क्योंकि इसमें भी जो वेक्टर इक्वेशन है वो लाइन है और लाइन की है वो 3 पॉइंट थ्रू पॉइंट्स ए और बी से पास कर रही है. क्योंकि वो 2 पॉइंट से पास कर रही है इस वजह से आप फॉर्मूला यही यूज़ करेंगे, इक्वेशन यही यूज़ करेंगे. जो इसका सेकंड पार्ट है वो है शो डैट इट इज़ पैरेलल टू एक्स वाई प्लेन. सो लेट्स सॉल्व इट, देन आई टेल यू व्हाट इज मेंट बाय दिस. So after solving this question I have find this solution. Now you can see that this is minus 3i plus 4j, only the component of x and y here, not the z. So it shows that the line is parallel to xy plane only and not the z. So learner, this is question number 4. Now in this you have to find the vector equation of a line which is parallel to this vector 2i minus 2j plus 2k, 2i minus j plus 2k, and it's passing through this vector. Now some student mistake here that this is a vector and this is b vector, but not, this is b vector and this is a vector, because the vector which is parallel to the vector is taken as b and which passes through the vector is taken as a. So you will write here like r equal to a plus t times b, putting a this here and this b here in this equation. By simplifying and separating the I, j and k component of this equation, you will get this equation. And this was the first part of this question. Now in the second part it is asked that if p is a point on this line such that कि अगर a p का distance 10 है तो हमने पोजीशन वेक्टर फाइंड करना है p का. तो हम लेट कर लेते हैं कि let p be any point, let p be any point whose distance from the line a from vector a is 10, then we can find the point p. So now take the point p like this 3 plus 2t which is the position vector of this the components I, j, k here, and your a vector is given like the a vector is 3i plus j minus k. Now you can put the values here in the distance formula. The distance formula is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Now putting the values in distance formula you will get the answer. There is a third component of distance formula here, z2 minus z1 square also. Now by solving and simplifying this you will get 2t square plus minus t square plus 2t square. Now this will give 4t square plus t square plus 4t square. This will turn to 9t square, or after taking square root you will get 3t. For solving for t, 3t equals 10, this was given, or you get the value of t equals 10 by 3. This is plus minus 10 by 3 and this is plus minus. Now putting the value of t in this equation because you were taking the vector p like here. Now putting the values of t in the point p, you will get for t equal 10 by 3 you will solve the equation for p point. You will get the point this, and or for t equal minus 10 by 3 you will get the point this. Let's find the vector equation of the line through points this. अब क्योंकि लाइन जो है वेक्टर इक्वेशन है और वो 2 पॉइंट से पास कर रही है तो फिर इसका ये केस बनता है ए आर इक्वल्स ए प्लस टी times b minus a, because the line is passing through 2 points a and b. Now आपने ये शो करना है कि ये जो पॉइंट्स हैं a b और 3a minus 2b ये कोलिनियर है. कोलिनियर का मतलब है कि दे आर लाइंग ऑन दिस लाइन। सो अगर इस लाइन पर लाई कर रहे हैं तो इसको इस इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करना चाहिए 3a माइनस 2b को। तो इट मीन्स कि हम 3a माइनस 2b इक्वल रख सकते हैं a प्लस टी टाइम्स b माइनस a। इसको हमने क्या करना है कि इसमें से हमने t की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है। तो अगर हम यहाँ से a और b सेपरेट कर लें तो यू गेट 1 माइनस टी टाइम्स a प्लस टी टाइम्स b। Now finding the value of t, comparing coefficients of both sides, you will get t equal to minus 2, or if you simply see like t equal minus 2 here also. So t equal to, for t equal to minus 2, this equation is satisfied, hence it is sure that 3a minus 2b, a and b are collinear. Now you can write the statement in the last line. Okay, this is so this is the only the tricks of presentation. If you write the given thing and to let and to everything, you explain and justify each step and mention each step and mention your steps here, you will get the full marks. ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में बिल्कुल वैसे ही है जैसे क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 हमने किया है। तो आपने जस्ट वेक्टर इक्वेशन लिखनी है ऑफ अ लाइन थ्रू द पॉइंट्स ए एंड पैरेलल टू बी। अब क्योंकि वो जो लाइन है वो ए से पास कर रही है और पैरेलल है वेक्टर बी के, तो इसको हम ए प्लस टी बी लिखेंगे। अब आपने जस्ट चेक करना है इन पॉइंट्स को बी सी और डी को कि वो इस लाइन पे लाई करते हैं या नहीं करते। तो सिंपली आपने जस्ट क्या करना है कि बी की वैल्यू यहाँ पुट करनी है 4a माइनस 3b over 5 equals a plus tb, these vectors. Now comparing 4 by 5a minus 3 by 5b equals a plus tb. Now you can see this कि आपके पास जो t का आंसर है वो यहाँ से आ रहा है माइनस 3 by 5 और जो a है वो उसका कोफिशिएंट 4 by 5 है। तो ये जो डिफरेंट है इसलिए ये क्योंकि आंसर सेम नहीं आ रहे डिफरेंट आ रहे हैं तो इसमें आपका जो पॉइंट है वो इस पे लाई नहीं करेगा। सो सी डज नॉट लाई ऑन द लाइन। नाउ चेक फॉर द पॉइंट सी एंड डी। हम आप इसके कंपेयर करें कोफिशिएंट्स सो यू विल गेट टी इक्वल टू 4/3. So this equation is satisfied for t equal to 4/3. It means that C lies on the line. Now checking for D, putting values. So this equation is also satisfied for t equal to minus 4/3. It means that D point lies on this line. The question number 7 will be solved on these same lines. So try it yourself. Question number 8 to 13 will be done on the same steps. So you just have to find the determinant of the vectors. If the determinant is turned to 0, the vector will be collinear or otherwise non-collinear. Coplanar. So just for practice and just for demo, I have solved question number 8 here. The determinant turned to 0. It means that these three vectors are coplanar. In the other three questions from question number 9 to question number 13, you have just to find the determinant. If it turn to 0, then the vector will be coplanar, otherwise non-coplanar. The last question of exercise 1.3 long question, question number 15, in which you have to find the distance of the point, this point to the line with the equation this, with the position vectors a and d. Now the formula you will use is AP क्रॉस D मैग्नीट्यूड ओवर D मैग्नीट्यूड। ये जो है आपका डिस्टेंस आएगा, इसको आप कैपिटल D का नाम दे सकते हैं। डिस्टेंस ऑफ द पॉइंट P टू द लाइन। एक आपके पास होता है डिस्टेंस का फॉर्मूला x2 माइनस x1 स्क्वायर प्लस y2 माइनस y1 स्क्वायर, वो होता है डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू पॉइंट्स। ये है डिस्टेंस बिटवीन पॉइंट टू द लाइन। ओके, नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड AP विच इज इक्वल टू OP minus OA. Now putting the values here, you will get minus 105, where P is this and A vector is this here. And now you have to find the cross product of AP and D equals IJK. Now put the value of IJK of AP vector here and D vector here. You will get this cross product. Now taking the magnitude of AP cross D, magnitude using the formula of magnitude, this will give the answer square root 140. Now you have to find D magnitude according to the formula. Now calculating D magnitude here, square root 6 will be the magnitude of D. Now putting the values in the formula A, call this the formula A. Now putting these two values in the formula, D equals AP cross D magnitude is square root 140 and D magnitude is square root 6. Now after cutting you will get 70 over 3, square root 70 over 3. This is the final answer. So this was the long question of exercise 1.3. I hope you all understand it. So keep watching and keep liking. Thank you so much.